Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about FreshBooks, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a FreshBooks account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a FreshBooks account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that managing your books is an important part of saving on taxes. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the FreshBooks website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there, but I've already pulled up the website and this is the sign up screen. So from time to time, FreshBooks does offer a discount. So for right now, they're offering 50% off 6 months. To see the most recent discount, check my video description. I'll try to leave my link there. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and click right here, try it free. Okay, next, in order to sign up for the FreshBooks free trial, you need to enter in your email address and create a password. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off screen. If you prefer, you can use your Google login or your Apple login. I don't like to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and enter this in now. Okay, I entered in the required information. Also, you do need to check to confirm the terms of service and privacy policy, and I'm going to click try it free. Okay, next, FreshBooks does send a 4-digit code to confirm your email. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that code in and then click on verify email. Okay, next, in order to sign up and create your account, FreshBooks does ask for your first name, last name, where you're located, and your phone number. So I'm going to enter that information in off screen. Okay, next, FreshBooks does ask a few questions about your business. So what's your company's name? So Make Money Anthony. And what does your business do? These are required to answer. So creative professional. How would you describe your business? Okay. And how do you work? Do you have a team or just by yourself? Estimated revenue, you can go ahead and just choose whichever one applies to you. How long does it take to complete your services? Let's say less than a week. What do you currently use to bill your customers? And then do you have custom offers for each customer? More or less the same. And I'm going to click on save and finish. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now it brings me to my FreshBooks dashboard. So I can go ahead and start importing clients, setting up estimates, creating invoices, tracking my expenses here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a FreshBooks account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.